Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to show you how to make Thandai. This drink is very refreshing and a perfect summer cooler. So without wasting our time, let's see how to make Thandai. First of all, soak 1 pinch of kesar or saffron in warm milk. Then we need 2 tablespoons of melon seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, few peppercorns, cinnamon, green cardamom, cashew nuts, 3 to 4 tablespoons, 3 tablespoon almond. In a bowl, add all the ingredients. Now add 1 cup of warm water. Mix very well. Cover and keep aside for minimum 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, transfer the whole mixture including the soaking water in a grinder or blender jar. Blend the mixture to a very smooth and fine paste. You can cover and refrigerate it if not using immediately. Now boil milk. Add half cup of sugar. You can add more if you want it more sweet. Once the sugar is dissolved, turn off heat and allow to cool. When the milk is warm, add the ground paste to the milk and mix well. Now add saffron milk and mix well. After mixing it nicely, keep it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now our Thandai is chilled and ready to serve. Now strain the mixture. Our Thandai is ready now. Serve Thandai chilled. Pour into serving glasses. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.